Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to my home here in East Tennessee. I hope y'all are having a great day. And I've got a new box of, well, it contains one Tolumnia. And the box is kind of heavy. I just got it out of the mailbox, opened it up, and this is where I got this Tolumnia from, is Appalachian Tropicals. It's in North Carolina. It's very, very close to Biltmore Estates. So I thought, oh my goodness, that's my neighboring state there. So I decided I was going to order just a Tolumnia that I saw that just, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. It's a cherry red. And when I got the box out of the mailbox, this was actually like embedded in all this newspaper. I mean, look at this. It's big for a Tolumnia. This is it. I cannot wait to see because this is heavy. I wonder if it's in a clay pot. It's probably what it is. Okay, I'm going to unwrap this thing because, it takes two hands for me to unwrap any orchid. I don't want to do any damage. So once I get this unwrapped, I'll be right back and show you what I got. Okay, I'm impressed already. Look at all of this shredded newspaper, the cotton on top. This is what was inside this paper. So let's continue to unfold it and see what we got. And I ordered this one. You have the option of whether to get it in spike or bloom or not. So of course, of course, you know me. I ordered the one that was in spike. So this is the spike so far, and look how well this has been packaged. Oh my goodness, this is really, really cool. Okay, I'll continue to unpack. Okay, so the mystery is solved. Here is the little Tolumnia, very, very well packaged. My goodness, perfectly packaged, actually. And in spike as they promised, and it is in a clay pot with gravel and this little net pot. These little plastic pots. Every Tolumnia that I've bought from any nursery I bought one from, they are in these little black plastic pots. If you want to see how I extract them out of these little black pots, because you have to be very, very careful, then I've got a video where I show you how I do that. It is very important with Tolumnias that you are very careful with their root system. That is the most delicate part of the whole plant is the root system, and if you lose roots, it sets the Tolumnia back quite a bit. So let me see if I can get it out of this little clay pot. It looks like it's just setting down in there, but let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's what I've got. This is actually, it looks like charcoal. It's not gravel. It's not heavy enough to be gravel. But here it is. This one is Tolumnia Gyric Flyer Red Cherry. And thank you to my daughter for helping me to video this. This is how I have two hands. Okay, so this is the root system. It looks really, really good. I need to water this one really, really well. I always water them before I try to extract them out of these little pots that you have to kind of cut very carefully away from them. Also, when you go to repot these and you take these out of these pots, push this way. Don't pull the plant up this way unless you're also applying pressure from underneath, because you don't want to pull this too hard. You want to kind of put equal pressure, let's just say, on the roots up, and then gently just kind of pull it up out of these little pots. But I will put a link in the description box to my video where it shows how I do that and how I repot them, because this is going to go in New Zealand spag moss from my sponsor, the Orchid Supply Store. And don't forget, May is a really good time to repot your orchids. So when you place your order from the Orchid Supply Store, if you use my coupon code Amy, you get a 12% viewers discount. And inside this continental United States, you get free shipping. That's such a great deal. So this is my little Tolumnia Gyric Flyer Red Cherry Day 1. The next time you see her, she will be in a mossy home. But this came in perfect condition. Look at what a pretty little plant That is, I love these Tolumnias, and they're so affordable. And when I saw this one on their site, I just thought, oh, I need that one with the rest of my collection. So just wanted to share my new purchase with you all. Hope you all are having just a fabulous day. And before I end the video, I'd love to say the blessing over you, your families, and your plants. May the Lord bless you and keep you. Make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. May the Lord turn his face towards you and give you peace. We'll talk to you all next time. Thanks so much for watching.